Unveiling the Mystery of Yawning, a journey into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard or used but perhaps haven't thought deeply about: yawning constantly. This simple phrase packs a lot of meaning and context, and understanding it can really help you in mastering the nuances of English. So, let's get started and uncover all there is to know about this intriguing expression. First off, let's break down the phrase starting with yawning. Yawning is an involuntary action where we open our mouths wide, breathe in deeply, and then breathe out slowly. It's something everyone does, and it's often associated with tiredness, boredom, or even when we see someone else yawn. But there's more to yawning than just showing we're ready for bed. It can be a sign of empathy, a response to being in a relaxed state, or even a way to help regulate the brain's temperature. Now, let's talk about constantly. This adverb is crucial because it tells us about the frequency of the action. When someone is yawning constantly, it means they are yawning over and over again, without much pause in between. It's not just a one-time yawn but a repetitive action that can indicate a deeper state of tiredness, boredom, or even a medical condition. When we combine these two words into the phrase, yawning constantly, we get a powerful expression that conveys a strong message about someone's physical or emotional state. It's a phrase that can be used in various contexts, from describing someone's reaction to a particularly interesting lecture to highlighting a symptom of sleep deprivation or a health issue. Understanding how to use yawning constantly in a sentence can greatly improve your English communication skills. Here are a few examples. During the long meeting, I found myself yawning constantly, struggling to stay awake. My friend has been yawning constantly. He might need to get more sleep at night. The teacher noticed the student yawning constantly and decided to make the class more interactive. Using this phrase accurately can help you describe situations more vividly and express empathy or concern for others. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the depths of the phrase, yawning constantly, and discovered its nuances and applications in everyday English. Understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and helps you communicate more effectively. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds value to your journey of English language mastery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful world of English. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.